Hello all, welcome to Amara. Today we are going to continue with the flower necklace. Before we start with the video, I would request every one of you to subscribe to my channel and watch the complete video. I've already painted the flower beads and kept it ready. I've stringed it through a jewelry wire with some black beads here. The earrings are also colored and I've attached the stud base to each of these earrings. Let's keep it aside and now start working with the necklace. I've taken 3 stopper beads here and I'm inserting it through the jewelry wire. We are going to lock the ends of this necklace using these stopper beads. So insert the remaining side of the wire through the stopper beads and the beads like these and pull it tightly to make a tight loop. Just pull the extra wire through the beads and make a tight loop. Once done, take a plier and press the stopper beads. Now this side is locked. Let's repeat the same process with the other side of the wire as well. I'm inserting 3 stopper beads. Now I'm just inserting the other side through the beads to make a loop. Now just pull the extra wire. We are going to take a plier and press the stopper beads. Now both sides are locked. The extra wires, we are going to cut it. Let's cut the extra wire here as well. Now the necklace is ready. Let's take the earring stoppers and just insert it on both the earrings. Now the earrings and the necklace both are ready. Since we had made some loops at the end, we are going to take an adjustable dory or a back rope and just attach it to the ends of the loop. Just going to insert it through the loop. And now the necklace is ready. Now let's move to the bracelet. What I've done here is I've taken a black thread and inserted 7 flower beads through it. Also inserted a wooden bead and tied the ends. Also opened up the ends. Now let's take the bracelet and arrange the flower beads like these. Just arrange it like this and keep. We are going to take some glue and just stick the thread to the flower bead. As you can see, I'm just applying the glue to the thread and trying to fix it onto the flower bead. So I'm just keeping this scissors on top. Now once it's dried, this is the final look. This is the necklace once it's moved. And this is how the bracelet looks once the glue is dried. This is the final look of the earring. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Happy crafting. Goodbye.